In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add multiple photos to a LinkedIn post. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to LinkedIn.com. If you are not logged in, you will need to sign in using either your Google or Microsoft account. Or you can simply enter your email address and password. Keep in mind, if you have two-factor authentication enabled on your LinkedIn account, you might have to go through an additional verification step. This usually means entering a code you will receive on your phone, which helps keep your account secure. Once you have successfully logged in, look to the upper right corner of the page, where your avatar picture is located. Click here to proceed. Once on your main LinkedIn feed, you are ready to start creating a new post. Next, you will want to find the Starter Post option, which should be prominently displayed when you visit your feed. Click on it, and a pop-up will appear. This is where you will compose your message. Take the time to write out the text you want to accompany your photos. Whether you are sharing a professional update or an insightful thought, make sure your text is clear and offers a touch of personality. Clarity and personal engagement are key to connecting with your audience. Once your text is crafted, it is time to enhance your post with an image. Towards the bottom of the pop-up, there is an icon that allows you to add a photo. Click on this icon and you will be given the choice to either upload an image from your computer or drag one over from your downloads. Once you have uploaded an image, you will have the chance to edit it. Editing your image ensures that it is visually compelling and contextually appropriate for your post. After you have finished editing your image to your satisfaction, go ahead and click on Next. You are almost ready to share your creation with your network. Take a moment to review your post. Make sure everything looks good and conveys the message you intend. When you are satisfied with how it all comes together, simply click the Post button. This final step shares your content with your LinkedIn network, making it visible to your connections and potentially even beyond, depending on your privacy settings. And just like that, you have successfully published a beautifully crafted text and image post on LinkedIn. By following these steps, you can effectively leverage images to enrich your LinkedIn presence, helping to convey your messages more dynamically and engage your audience. So, go ahead and make your posts stand out with multiple images the next time you share on LinkedIn.